Aga dunburniro mano mar Otimo ke county ma Migori wuok oko kendo pwe mokalo kit kaka ne ota chiro nindo mano mar yiero mar kor Gwenge nindo mano manyoro mabende giyango ni ne otime yonindo mano ma obidhore mantiere kod adieri kaachiel kod ratiro ne gipwe mokalo serikal ma pacho kaendi kuom kelo chenro nindo mar lony manyasani mabende ne otigodo kamano mabende ne gijiwo duol nogo mano mochung' ne yiero e pacho kaendi IEBC one ni kinde yiero mar 2027 nyal ti koda yorego mag lony manyasani mar neno ni onyal geng' kuo mag ombulu kaachiel koda weche mamoko manyalo kelo chochni e pachoka.
You have won the election with a total of 61 votes out of 63.
Very good. So the message is clear now.
The message is very clear.
Very true. And allow me to thank you. It's more than efficient, and I think IEBC will definitely copy the same. There's no question about it, because when it is on, you can see and you can press what you're seeing, and it can't go dead. It is always perfect. So if you ask me, the IEBC should follow the same route so that we get the correct results come 2027.
You can see we are using the electronic mode, and the kind of the machine that our people are using is so effective and efficient that we even wonder why the IEBC sometimes we have problems. It is so direct. You've seen now when I was voting, just one few seconds and I'm done. So this is what we expect even the IEBC to use, or to look for something even better than this.
This is the image that we want to promote in Migori County. There has been peace, no chaos, no quarrels. The Uda family are people who can sit down and talk and do things professionally. I'm very excited about this. And with that, we want to assure the President that we are partners in this broad-based, and to our colleagues who are in ODM, we welcome you into the house.
Yeah, the exercise is very free and fair. There is no any kind of malpractice. So far we have witnessed a total peace and vigilance.